Thanks for coming by and checking on me, Nathan. Having a cold is no fun.
Why are you paying extra for this? Isn't it like $1 a minute?
Well, when you've been here a little longer, you'll see that having no fun can be kind of fun. My nose is actually stuffed up, just like real life.
Here you go.
Oh.
Poor thing.
Oh.
Jeez.
Spit 'em out!
What? Occupied!
Cease crunching!
Fuck you!
Thank you! My fingers and dick's file is bulging.
When do you start taking dicks?
When there's no more fingers.
What about toes? You're skipping toes!